Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add Setmore to your website. Setmore is a powerful scheduling and booking platform that can help you manage your appointments and clients more efficiently. I've been using Setmore for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool. It's easy to use, and it's very customizable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Setmore on your website, and I'll also give you some tips on how to use it effectively. What is Setmore? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Setmore is and why you might want to use it. Setmore is a cloud-based scheduling and booking platform that can help you manage your appointments and clients more efficiently. It's easy to use, and it's very customizable. Here are some of the benefits of using Setmore. Save time. Setmore can help you save time by automating your scheduling process. Increase your bookings. Setmore can help you increase your bookings by making it easier for your clients to book appointments with you. Improve your customer experience. Setmore can help you improve your customer experience by providing a more convenient and user-friendly booking process. How to add Setmore to your website. Now that we know what Setmore is and why you might want to use it, let's talk about how to add it to your website. There are two ways to add Setmore to your website. Use the Setmore widget. The Setmore widget is a piece of code that you can add to your website to allow your clients to book appointments online. Use the Setmore API. The Setmore API is a set of tools that you can use to integrate Setmore with your website. I'm going to focus on using the Setmore widget in this video. Step 1. Create a Setmore account. The first step is to create a Setmore account. You can do this by going to the Setmore website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Set up your Setmore account. Once you have created a Setmore account, you need to set up your account. This includes setting your time zone, adding your services, and creating your staff members. Step 3. Get your Setmore widget code. Once you have set up your Setmore account, you can get your Setmore widget code. This code is a piece of code that you can add to your website to allow your clients to book appointments online. Step 4. Add the Setmore widget to your website. Once you have your Setmore widget code, you can add it to your website. There are a few different ways to do this, but the easiest way is to simply paste the code into the HTML code of your website. Step 5. Customize your Setmore widget. Once you have added the Setmore widget to your website, you can customize it to your liking. You can change the colors, fonts, and layout of the widget. You can also add your logo and contact information. Tips for using Setmore effectively. Here are a few tips for using Setmore effectively. Promote your Setmore booking page. Make sure that your clients know that they can book appointments online. You can do this by adding a link to your Setmore booking page to your website, social media, and email signatures. Use Setmore's reporting features. Setmore has a number of reporting features that you can use to track your bookings and performance. Provide training for your staff. If you have staff members who will be using Setmore, make sure that they are trained on how to use the platform. Adding Setmore to your website is a great way to make it easier for your clients to book appointments with you. Setmore is a powerful and customizable platform that can help you save time, increase your bookings, and improve your customer experience. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add Setmore to your website. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to grow your business. I'll see you next time.